Dumelang lapeng ra o amohela ditabeng tsa Sesotho SABC 2 le kanaleng ya DTT pele ke dihlooho tsa tsona. Dipula tse matla di bakile
kgokolo ebile ditlhako di tsamaile le metsi.
Dipula tse matla di bakile tshenyo e kgolo dibakeng tse ngatanyana ho phatlalla le naha.
It's the skill of the man. Ryan Moon with a setback. Knocks Ditaba with a goal!
Dipapading ho DStv Premiership Golden Arrows e hlotse Kaizer Chiefs ka dintlha tse 3-2 stadiumong sa Peter Mokaba. Baahi ba Ditaba Northwest ba sithabetse maikutlo ka mora hore toropo ya bona e boele thefulwe ke dikgohola ka mora dipula tse matla. Sebaka sena se ile sa thefulwa ke dikgohola habedi ngwahola.
Go matlhotlha pelo a mangwe gape mo Ditaba. Baagi bangwe ba setse ba latlhegetswe ke dithoto tsa bona.
Tota go hurugang ka go ngaba ka bankanya bo ditsela ya ka go ba ka re thusa ba re tsenyetsa e ka re nakong ba sa tlhola a tla yang.
Nna ke ka tsamaya ga ke go itshokela mathata ene ke setse ke ntse ya ka ke ntse. Dio tsa rona tsotlhe mo teng ga ntlo go kolobile ditlhako di tsamaile le metsi.
Fela puso ya re ga go ka mokgwa mongwe. Baagi bao ba tshwanela ke go huduga go nne lefelo le ba leng mo go lona le sa siamela gore ba ka nna mo go lona.
Motsanao wa Ditaba wa agilwe mo letangwaneng o ne o sa tshwanna go agiwa foo ka mokgwa Ditaba e agilweng ka teng le mo lefatsheng le le mo go lona ga go sepe se se ka tleng se dirwa ntle fela le gore re dumalane le baagi ba Ditaba ka kganya go fudusediwa kwa lefatsheng le le tokafetseng.
Puso ya re go na le diranta di le dimilione di le 54.9 tse di leng gona go ka thusa go agela baagi ba ba senyegetsweng ke matlosešwa. Sentle English, SABC News, Ditaba.
Ka ho leleng ka Mbombela Mpumalanga dipula di sile mophula wa tshenyo ya mebila marogo le matlo mo malapa feta magolo a mararo masepaleng wa Nkomazi a hloka bodulo. Baahi ba bangata ha bana metsi a hlwekileng.
Our water infrastructure is damaged. There's water scarcity in the municipality. We are using water tankers to supply water. But the challenge that we have also is that we are conscious of these waterborne diseases that may rise up.
Le ha le jwalo tona go Mpumalanga e re tshenyo ha se e kalo.
We must be frank and upfront to say that looking at the situation around here, the extent of damage, it's not that severe.
Ha re fetela KwaZulu-Natal dikgwebo di kwetse ka lebaka la dipula tseo sa di tsholwa dibeke tse 3 le Smith ka le boela province ya KwaZulu-Natal. Province ile ya phatlalatswa e wetswe ke koduwa beke e fetileng ka lebaka la tshenyo e etsaetseng. Ka Northern Cape diheke tse 12 tsa Letamola Valley di le tsa bulwa maobane mme lefapha la metsi le tsamaiso dikgwerekgwere le etsa tlhokomediso ho baahi.
All residents of settlements along the banks of the Lower Vaal and Lower Orange rivers are advised to consider evacuating or moving to higher places. The Department of Water and Sanitation continue to warn communities along the Vaal and Orange rivers to be extra vigilant of the rising water levels and to evacuate where necessary. Farmers are urged to remove livestock, movable properties, and equipment out of the way from the riverbanks and for the general public to avoid any activity that may put their lives in harm's way.
Sebaka sa Douglas mo kopanang le kwa Lesinku baahi ba teng le bona ba eletswa hore ba dule ba lesedi.
Seboka sa African Union se phethetswe ka Jeno Ethiopia mo Afrika Borwa e thontsweng ho ba modulasetulo wa lekala la AU la khotso le tshireletso. Mo Presidente Cyril Ramaphosa o tobane le mosebetsi o boima wa ho netefatsa hore lekala lena le namola dintweng tse ka hara kontinente ya Afrika.
We as South Africa had been appointed as the chairperson of the Peace and Security Council, which is really the real main centerpiece of the work of the African Union Assembly, because the continent continues to work on the project of silencing the guns throughout the continent, and therefore it occupies a lot of the time of the assembly.
Tlhahiso ya motlakase e tla ba enngwe ya dintlhakgolo puong ya pele ya tonakgolo ya Gauteng Panyaza Lesufi ha tla ba bula palamente ya province hosane. Baahi ba Gauteng le bahwebi ba thefutswe ke kumullo ya motlakase ka morao mmuso o phatlalatse ha kimollo ya motlakase e se ile koduwa e wetseng naha. Le ha ho le jwalo, DA e re ha e ka nka puso ka 2024 e tla ba le sehlopha se ikgethileng se tla shebanang le bothata bona.
We need to make sure that there is a master plan for its water and electricity here in Gauteng. We'll need to make sure that we urgently convene an intergovernmental task team to look into ways to reducing the number of blackouts and the province has been experiencing. Part of what we've done with Member Diaga is we've even gone to engage with Rainwater and also with ESCOM to then say, are we able to then start insulating some of this infrastructure from load shedding? Because if you're able to then insulate some of the infrastructure from load shedding, then you will also begin to then see the reduction in the strain of the breakages from a municipal perspective.
Lekala la naha la ditsela SANRAL le tla phethela dipuisano le baahi ba masepala wa Thembisi le Hani Mpumalanga ka Laboraro mabapi le kabo ya mobu. SANRAL mmoho le lefapha la temo, kabo ya mobu le ntshetsopele ya metsi ya mahae e bile le dikopano tse mmalwa le baahi mabapi le projeke ya katoloso ya mmila wa Moloto moo ba bang ba baahi ba tlang ho tloswa matlong a bona.
Khanya go bona lefatshe ke ntlha e masisi mo projekeng ya tsela ya Moloto. Janon SANRAL e tsweletse go buisana le baagi mabapi le bao ba amegang.
Ngendele ngizwe ngakhona indaba le ayikakangijabulisi lapha nebeza
uri ha gotsofalla tsela eo batho ba tlilong fumantsho ditlhapiso ka teng tsa o rekisa matlo a bona.
Magosi lone a tsene mo kganyeng eno.
Uri ba hloka tlhalosetso haholwanyane ka tsela eo dintho di tlang ho etswa ka teng.
Malapa a feta 150 a tlile go amega. We are using
the company called Propsol, so they are going to negotiate with the affected individuals. So of the 156, we have identified less than 5 that needs to be relocated. So we will negotiate with them. So we will see if the land that is acquired and the remaining land is still going to be usable.
Tubane arbatle go seka di ntlha gape pele lenane leno le wediwa. SANRAL e betse thoko di bilione di feta 3 go tsweletsa karolo ya ntlha ya projeke. Projeke e solofetse go tlhama ditiro di feta dikete di le 12. Molemo wa motho SABC News Mpumalanga.
Basebetsi ba Afrika Borwa ba tobane le dinako tse mahlonoko ka lebaka la kgolo e monyebe ya moruo mme ba se ba beile tshepo ya bona ho lotona la ditjhelete Enoch Godongwana ha le tlabe le teka puo ya lona ya ditekanyetso tsa ditjhelete Cape Town ka Laboraro bekeng ena.
Mekgatlo ya basebetsi ba mmuso e re e tlo qhelela ka thoko puo ya ditekanyetso tsa ditjhelete ya monongwaha ha e ba e sa buile thoka ditseko tsa meputso ya bona.
The minister must at least give more money in the police so that we don't have the situation that we are seeing now.
Our members are ready to embark on a massive campaigns. 22nd during the budget speech.
The Minister of Finance must stop cutting the budget of health.
Khosatu e nang le ditho tse dikete tse 800 le ka lenna mmuso e re lefapha la ditjhelete le lokela ho teka ditekanyetso tse tla ntlafatsa maqhama pakeng tsa mmuso le basebetsi.
We are saying fix the state, fix corruption in this country, deal with it decisively, and you will have enough to be able to pay those that wake up in the morning to come and give service to the people of this country.
Ditsebi tsa moruo di re haeba mmuso wa tla qoba tshitiso phanong ya ditshebeletso le tlhaiso o lokela ho arabela ditseko tsa basebetsi.
If civil servants are unhappy with a wage increase which is about half of headline inflation, it means that that's going to knock onto productivity. Unlike other work streams, government can't exactly fire a huge sector of an unhappy civil service.
Basebetsi ba re ba felletswe ke tshepo ho mmuso mme ba lotha ho leba strikeng se tla ba matsatsing a supileng ka morao tekwa puo ya ditekanyetso tsa ditjhelete.
Dipapading tse bapetseng thapameng ena Golden Arrows e hlotse Kaizer Chiefs ka dintla tse 3 tse 2 stadiumong sa Peter Mokaba ka ho le leng sehlopha sa Afrika Borwa sa Marumo Gallants se dutse maemong a pele ho Group A dipapading tsa CAF Confederation ka mora ho hlola Saint Eloi Lupopo ka dintla tse 2 ho le nngwe ha re boneng dintlha kgolo.
Already breathing rather heavily is the captain of Amakosi today. Lovely header, near post. Hands behind the back. No problems for Kunika, but there is a goal for Makupela before half-time. Dupria into the middle. Still a chance. Goal! Shabalala scores his second of the season. No, it's gone slightly wider than that. Nice defence from Clanty. Still a chance for the Knoxman. Makupela with a little scramble through and beats Clanty. That's the skill of the man. Ryan Moon with a setback. Knocks Mutiswa with a goal!
Number of white shirts waiting in the middle, and one of them meets it and finds the net. And we do have the opener. Take lofted balls all day long. That's a low cross though, and a second goal. But it's the effort, and it's in. A brilliant free kick from Patu Kabangu, the substitute.
Di fella mona ka jeno ho sane re tla fumana ditaba tsa Setswana salang hantle bolipi bwa latela.